Hello everyone. Today we'll be looking at the residential building approval process. So you finally have enough funding or a loan or a payment plan worked out to have your dream home built, but you are far from starting. So let's see what happens to get you to that point. So the first thing you're going to do is you'll work with some residential designer or licensed architect, depending on your state, to design exactly what you want your home to look like, how you envision it. And once that's done and you have it all ready, you'll send it to an engineering firm where the first thing they'll do is give it to their drafters to create an industry standard design for the house for them to, excuse me, for them to go ahead and be able to work on it. After that, they'll send it to their engineering department where the engineers will go and calculate exactly how the house needs to be built, what the strength of certain beams and girders and other various parts of your home need to be a stable and safe structure. After engineering is done with it, they'll send it to an engineering check, which is done by a senior professional engineer who will just make sure that all the engineering has been done correctly. After that, they'll send it back to drafting for a drafting check to make sure that all the engineering marks that have been added are industry standard and are clear and readable for the client and also the contractors. Then after everything's done, we'll send that final blueprint to the client, and the client can send it to the city for approval. And the city will just have one of their own engineers give it a once over. And give it a once over. And then they will if they say that it's all right, they will give you a building permit, which you can then take and begin construction on your home. And that is the process.